I think that it's, I agree with one of the students who got up. She was so emotional watching the film. I myself find it very hard to watch the film, even though I was involved in it, because it captured so well the horrors, the sufferings of everybody involved on all sides. So I think for the students who watched it, who watch it as part of the class, is for them to keep an open mind, go in, don't think, this side was wrong, this side was right, because it's an extremely complicated story, as you can tell. And, you know, um, people believed in what they were doing on all sides. And I think that the key thing for me, if I were you watching this, is to go in with no preconceived notion about what this war was all about, and just keep an open mind and be sympathetic to the people involved in all of this. What was their motivation? Why did they do what they did? Um, and I think if you do that, I think you would take a lot more away from it than you come in and become critical and say, well, how come Ken did this and he did not do that? I think he did an extremely, Ken and Lynn, extremely good job, an excellent job in trying to capture all aspects of the war, all perspectives. And I think that they were very objective. And myself, as a Vietnamese, I'm very grateful, because for me, that was the first documentary that presented the Vietnamese as people. The Vietnamese are primary actors in their own history, not as shadowy figures, supporting actors. And they really gave voices to the Vietnamese. And for that, I'm eternally grateful. And I think that as Vietnamese Americans watching this, I think you should feel the same way. Well, at least I think you should. But of course, that's a judgment for you to make.